Let's see if we can find the value for x. We're now on lesson 5 of hands-on equations. First, we need to begin with an x. We represent that by a blue pawn. Now it says to add two x's, so we're going to place two blue pawns onto our scale. Next, it says to subtract an x, so we will remove one of the blue pawns. And it says plus 7, so that's a 7 constant. We represent that with a 7 cube. On the right side, I need 4 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. Then the equation tells me to subtract an x. I will do that. And it says plus 2. So I need to place onto the scale a cube with the number 2. This then is the original physical setup for this equation. We're now ready to simplify the equation by doing legal moves. Let's subtract an x from each side of our equation. Okay, so we're going to lift up an x from each side, and we're going to do that a second time. So notice that we have simplified this large equation into a much simpler one. On the left side, I have a 7 constant. On the right side, I have a constant with a number 2. And I have a blue pawn. So I can see by inspection that the blue pawn is 5, since 5 plus 2 is 7. So let me select the value for x to be 5. And now to do the check, I will clear the board, and I will set up the equation one more time. So I have an x plus 2x, take away an x plus 7, and on the right side I have 4 x's, take away an x plus 2. If x equals 5 is correct, both sides will have the same value. On the left side, I have 5, 10, 17. So on this side, I have the value of 17. On the right side, I have 5, 10, 15, and 2 is 17. So since both sides have the same value, when x equals 5, I know that x equals 5 is the solution to this equation.